Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see how the next 6 months of 2024 is going to be. So, last week I had conducted a poll on my Instagram broadcast. The number one topic was a message from Lord Hanuman, which I have already uploaded. And thank you so much for all the love you gave to that video. And then the second most voted topic was how the next 6 months is going to be. Your wish, my command. So let's go ahead with today's pick a card reading. So you have three options over here. So basically, these are three doors. Okay, the first is a door to personal healing and happiness. Second option is door to spirit. And third option is door to value. So either you can pick up any door that you're drawn to, or you can just take three pieces of paper. In each piece of paper, write pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. So you can write only one pile number in one paper. Just close your eyes and say, Dear God, Goddess, Archangels, how the next 6 months of 2024 is going to be for me. And then pick up any one piece of paper. Whatever pile number you will get will be your pile that you need to choose from. Sorry. Also, I have your date of birth. So let me just quickly shuffle and pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. So for pile 1, so if you are choosing the pile date of birth wise, then for pile number 1 is 11 to 20. So all these date of birth. Pile number 2 is 1 to 10. All these date of birth. And pile number 3 is 21 to 31. All these date of birth. So you can choose any pile, but by using any of the three method. Now let's get started with our detailed pick a card reading, and I'm also going to remove a page from the book of answers for all of you, apart from the angel cards, tarot cards, and the other options. Okay, so let's get started. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. Today, we are going to see how. Okay, let me adjust the camera. Today, we are going to see how 2024 is going to be for you, the remaining of 2024. So, this was the second most voted topic. The first topic was a message from Lord Hanuman, on which I made a video and it's already uploaded. Thank you so much for giving all the love to that video. The second topic is was this the remaining months of 2024, and I thought let's go ahead with it. So today we are not only going to use your angel cards, tarot cards, we're also going to use your Wheel of Fortune and this amazing message from the Book of Answers as well. All the links to the tarot cards, oracle cards, this book is given in the description. You can have a look at it. Now let's get started. So you have chosen this beautiful door to personal healing and happiness. So clearly, God is wanting to kind of, give this door key to you, and you have been wondering that when am I going to have all these happiness. Okay, clearly you are someone who prays to goddess Lakshmi. You have this connect with her. You also have this connect to the divine in a very peaceful manner, wherein you don't kind of fight with the divine, but you put across your gratitude and your request in a very subtle way. And even if you are upset, you end up saying it in a way that I know it's my karma. I know that you don't mean to cause these problems into my life. That kind of approach you have. So definitely I see that not only you'll have healing and happiness, you'll also have this courage to kind of go ahead. Right now, somewhere that courage is lacking. I'll keep your card over here. Now let's see your tarot cards. We are going to remove four tarot cards, one for the month of June and the next for July, August, September, October, and then November, December. So let's see how your 2024, the remaining of 2024 is going to be. So it looks like you have started something in the beginning of the year. There's some new thing that you're working or you are kind of started, okay, but it's kind of did not work in the mid of the year, or around the mid of the year, and you have been left disappointed. July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, let's see all your cards one by one. So first let's see how the month of June is going to be. So June is going to be Eight of Cups, which means you're going to walk away from all that which is not serving you. You may let go of something that you were obsessed with, which was materialistic, and you were like, you know what, I'm going to let go of this aspect, this material aspect, and just go ahead. I also feel with the Eight of Cups that there will be lot of visit to spiritual places, or you will be doing a lot of spiritual activities, you'll be listening to a lot of spiritual chants and everything. I also feel that someone may walk out of your life which may cause you and the other person's sorrow, but then you will be like, all right, this is for the greater good of everybody. Wow. The next card for the month of July, August, you have got Wheel of Fortune. So, from Eight of Cups, which was of walking away because things are not working for you, things will start working for you in the month of July and August. There will be a lot of good fortune, abundance coming your way in the month of July and August. You'll feel that after a long pause, things have started going in motion. I also feel with this card, you have been kind of wanting to pray to the God Sun, like you want to listen to Aditya Stotram or something, you want to like pray to Sun, but you are not being able to do. So that you need to start doing. Okay. The third, then you have got the Moon card. So after you feeling, so you'll walk away from something which is not working for you. You'll start seeing a good change happening in July, August. However, September, October, you will start having doubts. You will start feeling that what if I am not good enough, and there will be fear and anxiety. The crow is also wanting to guide you, I guess. Yeah, I got it. I got it. The ancestors are blessing them. That's what you want to tell them, right? Yes, so I did tell them. Now, can I continue? Thank you. Anything else? Okay. Thank you. Okay, you want to continue with me? Continue with me. All right. So, this card is telling you that yes, I think you yourself are also a little naughty, I feel, and your ancestors are teasing you about it. So with this card, I feel that there will be, the self doubt which you need to work on, I also feel that with you need to listen to your intuition in the month of September, October. I also feel with this card that your intuition, okay, your intuition is going to be very strong. So listen to your intuition and do not ignore it. Okay, do not ignore this intuition. You've got two major arcana cards till now. So the next 6 months are going to be of huge importance. Wow. The last card, also the Lovers card. So you definitely November, December is going to be very important as well. You'll have to make important choices with all the factual information. You'll have to kind of focus on making this decision based on what is good for you, and just not your heart should be involved, your mind should be involved too. I also feel that you're going to do what you love the most. Love life is going to improve. With this card, I also feel that you need to ensure that you do not fall into temptations in the month of November, December. So when I'm looking at the remaining of 2024, definitely the next 6 months are very important because you got all major arcana cards. And apart from September, October, I think the rest of the year is beautiful. And September, October is also not bad. It is just that a lot of things will crop up, which you will kind of find it a little irritating. Now, I already removed your oracle cards. I will keep it over here. Let me just push this. But before I remove your oracle cards, I'm going to first see what blessings the divine is going to send you. All right, because that's what we want to know for the next 6 months. What are the blessings coming our way? All right. So before I remove that, let me tell you, I have this workshop coming up on Reiki, which is God, Goddess, and Archangel Reiki. It's a very unique workshop which combines life force energy, that is Reiki, with the divine energy of God, Goddess, and Archangels. It has Panchmukhi Hanuman Reiki, Goddess Lakshmi Lord Narayan Reiki, Master Merlin Reiki, and a lot more. So to know more details about this unique Reiki workshop, you can click on the link given in the pinned comment. Now let's get started and see what blessings are going to come your way for the remaining of 2024. Okay. Now, why am I not surprised? When the crow came and was constantly with me talking, I should have understood that more better. So definitely your ancestors are very happy with you, and there's a blessing coming from your ancestors to you. It could be inheritance, it could be a child, or it could be something that you have been praying and hoping for. I also feel that you have the blessing of Master Merlin with you. You've got a blessing on your love, and with this card again, this is such a beautiful synchronization. So definitely, now love is just not romantic love. It also means the love that we have towards our family, towards our friends, for our work, or whatever it is that we love to do. So definitely a blessing coming your way in that aspect as well. Now let's see your other cards. The first card is take a chance on them. So it looks like you have been kind of going to and fro about someone, okay, and you have been kind of wondering that should you let them enter or should you not let them enter, because it has been quite on and off for you. So here this card is telling you that take your time. All right, give them a chance, but not a blind chance. Okay, you got Goddess of the Moon. Oh my God. And you had the Moon card. Look at this. This tarot card was removed right in front of you, and this was done before. But still, the look at the synchronization. So definitely, either you have this strong element of the moon. So moon represents creativity and it represents intuition. So pay attention to your intuition and creativity, as that can take you ahead, especially in the month of September and October. You got over here fourth chakra, Archangel Raphael. So you had chosen the card door to personal healing and happiness. And look at this card that you have got. So that's a beautiful coincidence, right? You had chosen that door, and Archangel Raphael, who's the Archangel of healing, is telling you the same thing. That's beautiful. Ask your angel. So you, if you feel stuck, or if you feel that, hey, I don't know the way ahead, ask your angels. Because of the moon card and the goddess of the moon, you will get the answer via your intuition. So pay attention to it. What you need to surrender to have a great look, surrender to creativity. And you see, you've got three times creativity with the moon card, with the goddess of the moon card, and this. So you are definitely somebody who loves creativity. Now when I say creativity, people think painting and art. That's not only creativity. It can be a creative idea, it can be creative, the way you put forward a particular point of view in a very different and unique way. That's also called creativity. So let your imagination run wild, and stay open to whatever is coming your way via your angels, via your guides, via your intuition, because that can help you to pursue a dream or to resolve something that has been really going topsy turvy in your life. All right. The next card, you got a victim mentality. So somewhere, you do have a victim mentality, especially in the month of June. It has kind of heightened. I also feel Jan to June has not been that great. You have faced issues despite of giving your best, and that has left you wondering that why me. Okay, so get out of your victim mode and see how you can resolve it without getting so frustrated about it. Okay, stay the course. So you may feel that you are not on the right path. You may feel that whatever you're doing right now is not working for you. However, Archangel Michael is telling you, stay the course. So you're not on the wrong path. Yes, you have a bumpy start with the 2024. However, you need to learn from your experiences and keep going. You cannot let those experiences overpower you and kind of define the remaining part of your year. Okay, let me keep all of this over here. Now, let's see what we're also going to remove a tea leaf card. Okay, let's remove your tea leaf card first. I'm going to pick up this too. Let's also see the changes coming your way, and then we will look at the book of answers. Okay, love life. Oh my god, this is the third time you have got love life, a blessing on your love, the lovers card and the love life. For some, you are going to meet the love of your life, so take action. All right, you just can't pray and not meet people, or you just can't meet people and not pray. Have a synergy, because the opportunity is there, the energy is there. You need to cash on it. You got home, so there could be something about your home, buying, selling, renovating your home, or buying some decor for your home. Okay, that's going to happen in the next 6 months. You got broken ring, parting of the ways in either romance or business. So I feel with the Eight of Cups, this has already happened. Okay, and that has been very, very uh, sad for you. I also feel that this has happened to you in the past, wherein you are still trying to heal from this breakup, okay, or this separation. Now, breakup doesn't mean only romantic breakup. It could be a friendship breakup. It could be somebody leaving your life and going to the other divine realm. So this separation has been really very difficult for you, and in the next 6 months there's going to be healing happening for the same. You got good advice from a wise person, so definitely someone is going to kind of help you and to understand a particular situation that can kind of resolve lot many things for you. Let's see what this is. Friendship. Wow, so the next 6 months your friendships are going to get stronger. Joy and courage. Wow, that's going to come to you as well. And what's this? Prosperity. Beautiful. So you've got everything: relationship, prosperity, money. Amazing, group one. Now let's see the book of answers, what we are going to get. So let's think about a question. Think about a question that's going on in your mind, group one. And let me open the page for you. Deal with it later. So right now, lot many things to resolve. First, resolve those, and then you can deal with this later. Okay, now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel for you. So it was quite slow, the Wheel of Fortune. Of course, I did spin it in a slow speed, but normally it still goes faster. So there's a maybe. There's a maybe because the energy is still 50%. You need to put more energy into it. All right, group one, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel because almost 70% of you have not subscribed to my channel. Do subscribe to it. And yes, this beautiful modality is on, which is the God, Goddess, and Archangel Reiki workshop. In case if you want to know more details about this workshop and the earlier participants' experiences, click on the link given in the pinned comment. Take care. Bye-bye. Hello group 2, how are you guys doing? I hope you're fine and rocking as always. So let's see how the remaining of your 2024 is going to be. So if you have chosen this beautiful card, which is Door to Spirit, definitely you believe in spiritual journey, spiritual growth, connecting with the divine. I also feel you have this huge connect with your departed loved one, and there is this understanding of what happens after life and everything. But somebody who believes a lot in practical aspect of being spiritual. Okay, you don't get carried away by things you do not connect or resonate with. All right, so if you've chosen this as per your date of birth, then this is what it is. Now let's see how the remaining of 2024 is going to be for you. I'll keep your card over here. You are someone who gives the entire credit to God. Okay, you're not one of those people who will say, I did it. You will say, God gave this to me. Thank God for blessing me with this. So that's something which the divine appreciates. Let's see how the month of June is going to be. We'll also see July, August 2024. You have this huge fear, okay, which I can sense right now. This fear is like, what if my rest of the year is as same as what happened before to me. Okay, it looks like you have been trying to do something, but it's not working out. For group one, it was they did something and it happened, but it left midway. In your case, it's more like you have been trying, but the outcome is not there. Okay. September, October. I also see a strong connect with Lord Hanuman. And November, December. Okay, I kind of saw this card while removing it. Okay, so the month of June, which is going on right now, you are going to be super busy handling two things. Okay, and it's going to be a little difficult, but you will be able to manage it. You're going to give your best. You're going to kind of skillfully handle it. And I also feel with this card that take rest, okay, because that's important too. You need to kind of take a break and focus on your own healing. Let me bring the cards a little closer, then I'll move it up. Then you have got the Six of Wands. Wow, this is so beautiful. So August, September is going to be full of success, victory. Things are going to turn out in your way. It looks like whatever hard work you have put in the month of June, you're going to get results, super results in the month of August and September. Just ensure that it does not go to your head. All right. Then we have got the month of October. Wait. This is July, August, and this is September and October. Okay, so September and October, you have got the Judgment card. There is going to be a positive transformation. You are going to reach out to so many people. Communication is going to be awesome and clear. I also feel with this card, if you have been kind of struggling with having a child, then there would be some respite over here. All right, I also feel with this card that you are going to communicate beautifully, and look how she's spreading her wings. You're going to spread your wings and you're going to reach really amazing heights and places. Okay, what I'm finding it interesting is it looks like the hard work that you're going to put in the month of June is going to pay off in July, August, September, October. That's beautiful. Oh ho 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 ho, wow, guys, your next 6 months is really rocking. So, in the end of the year, you have got the strength card. So, there is going to be this courage, abundance, tapping into this inner reserve of strength and handling everything beautifully. Okay, you are going to come out as a winner and you're going to be really strong winner. All right, when I'm looking at your cards, you've got two major arcana and one beautiful six of wands, so which means the next 6 months are very very important with regards to growth, with regards to progress and success. All right, uh, in the last November, December, your health is also going to improve. Of course, you need to see the right doctor and get the right treatment, but definitely, I see you building up your strength, both physical and internal. All right. Now, let's see what blessing is coming in your way in the next 6 months. Before I do that, let me tell you that I have this amazing workshop on God, Goddess, and Archangel Reiki, which helps you with regards to healing, prosperity, and lot more. There are this amazing combination of divine life force, that is Reiki, with the energy of divine gods, goddess, and archangels that makes this Reiki work really fast and effectively more. So, to know more details about this workshop and the earlier participants' experiences, click on the link. It's in the pinned comment. So, let's see the blessing coming your way. The first blessing and the second blessing. I'm also sensing some sort of skin issue, okay, like irritation or an issue. All right, now let's see your blessings. Wow, a blessing on a home. So, over here, the blessing on a home could be literally buying, selling a home, or it could be renovating your home. I also feel with this card, there could be addition in the family as well. All right, but definitely you are going to beautify your home. That's a blessing coming your way in the next 6 months. A blessing on your day. So definitely there is going to be an important day in the next 6 months. Could be a birthday, it could be an anniversary, or it could just be an important day, an important event happening in your life, and you will receive the blessing for the same. This is so beautiful, isn't it? Okay, now, and not surprising, the home card has shown up because you have such strong cards. The last 6 months has been a little difficult for you. You have really worked towards a goal, but there was no outcome. That's gonna change. Okay, the first card that you have got is swim away from the situation. So if you find a situation really very cumbersome, okay, don't try to resolve it right then and there. Go back, get some data, get some support, get some help, and then you can work on resolving the situation. At times, better than confrontation, it is to kind of get away from the situation so that you and the other person has a perspective. The thinking woman. So definitely a woman is going to help you. She's a very smart, logical woman. Also with this card, I feel that you are somebody who is really very intelligent, and you are someone who believes a lot in kind of reading and upgrading your knowledge. So knowledge is going to be very important in the next 6 months. A man holding a heart. So, a thinking woman and man holding a heart. What a combination, isn't it? So, I feel that a woman who is logical and a man who is emotional are going to be helping you out. This could be you as well. I also feel with this both cards, you need to have a balance between your brain and your heart for the next 6 months. You got take action. So this is a very good time right now, the next 6 months. So take action. Whatever it is that you have been planning to do, ensure that you're taking action to achieve it because the time is good. Surrender to trust. Somewhere you have been doubting everything because last 6 months, it's like you put in efforts but things don't work out. So you started doubting yourself, doubting your connect with the divine and everything around you. Surrender to trust. Here you need to believe in yourself, your decisions, the divine, and be confident about life, okay? That's your next card. A consciousness of lack. So this is something that you need to work on. Somewhere, you have been, you have struggled for everything. Let's be very honest. Whatever it is that you wanted, you have got after a long battle or and struggle. So somewhere you have this lack mentality. You see that you feel that others don't have to struggle as much as I do. There's always a lack. So you need to understand that lack has given you life lessons, okay? This, of course, it's no fun to get life lessons this way, but you have this wisdom, you have this understanding, this clarity of how to go ahead. You have also been guiding others because of this entire experiences that you have, the kind of knowledge you have gained from this experience, right? So focus on that rather than the lack. Yes, so the next 6 months, your prayers are going to get answered. Now, look, this is energy. All right. It may be in my energy to win a lottery ticket, but I need to buy one, right? Otherwise, how do I win? Similarly, your energy for the next 6 months is amazing, but that does not mean you just kind of go on a vacation and not do anything. If going on a vacation is your dream, then definitely go ahead, but put in the efforts and you will get the answers, okay, for your prayers. Now let's see what you will get. We'll also see your book of answers. Okay, let's see. I am drawn to this green card. Oh, some of you may be trying for a green card. Okay, then let's see. Oh my god. So many cards have fallen for you. Okay, let me see how many of them are there. There are too many. But you know what? I know there are many, but kind of I'm tempted to take all of them. I'm so sorry. They're like 4 plus 4, 8 plus 2, 10. Okay, I'll take it. I'll take it. Okay. Let's see. First is a long journey, either physical or mental, will leave you wiser at the end. So, definitely a physical journey or maybe a mental journey. All right. You are highly thought of. Somehow you feel that you're not loved as you were loved, or you're not respected as you were. That's not true. Okay. You got married, so something in your married life or love life is going to improve. Marriage can also mean partnerships. There could be some partnerships coming your way. Okay, you have got your savings. So definitely your savings are going to increase. You got fame. Wow. So you're going to get a lot of fame in the coming 6 months. My God, look at this. You got the home. Wow. And you did get a blessing on a home. So this is like a confirmation, right? This is two confirmation. So there could be either moving or shifting, okay, happening. I'm going to keep this over here. or renovation of your home happening, buying, selling of a home happening, or could be an addition or celebration in the home happening as well. Lovely. You got jewelry, so definitely you're going to buy some jewelry. I kind of see a bracelet or something. Now let's see your cards one by one. Toxic person leaving. Great. Okay, next is business. Your business is going to improve. If you're somebody who does not have a business, you may start thinking about starting a business. Blessing and a wish come true. Lovely. A wish of yours is going to come true. Debts paid. So karmic debts, or it could be real debts, all right, it will get paid. Volunteering and charity, so you're going to help lot many people as well. Parents, okay, I feel some of you have issues with your parents right now. Okay, so or you may become parents. Okay, health analysis, so definitely a lot of reports, and you'll be doing a lot of tests to understand and make your health better. Take action, so definitely just because the energy is good, that does not mean you're like, okay, energy is good, I do nothing, and then you come back to this video, nothing happened. Okay, it you have to take action in the right direction. Okay, trust and faith, have that trust and faith in yourself as well, and you got support, so the divine supports you, the divine loves you as well. Now let's see what the book of answers is going to tell you. I have put the link in the description, because so many of you ask me about a particular deck or tarot card, what name it is. So all the links are given in the description part of this video. Okay, so think about a question. Let me put my hand on this. Okay, reconsider your approach. So here, whatever action you're taking, whatever mindset you have with regards to the situation, you need to reconsider all of it. Okay, rethink, reevaluate, and accordingly take action. All right, group 2, now let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question and let me spin the wheel. Wow, you have got jackpot, and not surprising with such amazing tarot cards that you have got. All right, group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button, do subscribe to my channel. Almost 80% of you have not subscribed to my channel. So do that so that you get notification, of course, only if you're guided to. And I have this upcoming workshop on God, Goddess, and Archangel Reiki. In case if you want to know more details about this amazing modality and the transformation that it can bring in your life, click on the pinned comment and you will get the details. All right, group 2, enjoy, take care, bye bye. Hello, my lovely angels. How are you guys doing? Let's see today how the remaining of 2024 is going to be for you. So, this was the second most requested topic on the poll that I had conducted on my Instagram broadcast. The first was message from Lord Hanuman. I have already posted a video with regards to that. Now, let's see your cards ahead. So, if you've chosen this particular pile because of this card, or because of your date of birth, or since this pile came to you in your uh, by selecting the pieces of paper, then let's go ahead. Okay, so you have chosen this door. Definitely you are someone who has been putting in a lot of efforts with regards to law of attraction for abundance. You are someone, you do rituals and prayers. You also work very hard. I'm getting this feeling that you have created wealth, however not as much as you would want to. So let me keep your card over here and let's see what your tarot cards are going to tell us about the remaining of 2024 for you. I'm hearing the word diamond. I also sense confusion. Oops. September, October. Somewhere I feel, there has been a lot of confusion and chaos, like you're not able to find the right path, or you're wondering that it was A before, now why it is B, that kind of a scenario. Okay, let's see all your cards one by one. I think the diamond referred to that either you're going to shine like a diamond, or you have been like a diamond, you have really seen tough times and now you're shining like one. The first card that you have got is Temperance, which means for the month of June, you are going to balance things out. You're also going to ensure that you are kind of, compromising and not being very stubborn. So you're going to be very flexible in the month of June. You may be asked to resolve a conflict, act as a mediator as well. All right. So June is going to be a time of stillness, contemplation, balancing. Then you have got August and September. So, July and August. So, for July and August, you have got the Six of Cups, which means it is going to be full of going back down the memory lane. You may visit the place that you were raised, born, or the place where you went to school or college. Friendship is going to be of importance. Kindness is going to be in the air. You are going to express a lot of nurturing energy to people around you. Old friendships, it's going to happen that you may feel like reconnecting with an old friend, and you may spend a lot of time seeing old pictures as well. Next, July and August, you may see some pattern repeating itself. So something which has happened before to you in a good way, the same pattern will repeat itself. Okay, and you'll be like, oh my God, this is same the way it happened before. It's happening in the same manner. Let's see September and October. September and October, you have got the Eight of Cups, which means you are going to move away from what is not serving you. You are going to focus on your inner healing, your inner journey, spiritual healing. You may visit a spiritual place. You'll also find yourself letting go of attachment. Okay, interestingly, you have got two cup cards, so emotions are going to be of importance in the next 4 months, that is July, August, September, October. Now let's see November, December. Wow. So November, December, you have got the Hermit card, which means in the month of November, December, you are going to do lot of contemplation. You're going to sit with the information, guidance that you are receiving from the divine, and you're going to ensure that you act on it. Also, in the last 2 months of the year, you are going to gain all the knowledge that you have earned in this year and before. You're going to churn it and use it to help others. You're going to show them the pathway. I also feel a lot of clarity will come to you as to why there were certain patterns in your past. All right. So it's a good time for you to kind of, some of you may even go on a vacation or spiritual journey. So in the last 4 months, I see a lot of contemplation, meditation, spiritual journey as well. Now let's see what your blessings are from the divine. Before I remove your blessings, let me tell you that there is a workshop coming up, God, Goddess, Archangel Reiki, in which we combine the life force, the universal life force energy, with the divine energy of gods and goddess to create huge transformation in our and other people's life. If you want to know more details about this workshop and the earlier participants' experiences, click on the link in the pinned comment. Let's see the blessings coming your way. Let's just shift them. Blessing number 1 and blessing number 2. Okay. The first blessing is a blessing on your family. So there could be some sort of addition in the family, reconciliation as well. I feel that, there could be, as I said, addition via marriage, via engagement. Also, if there was some unresolved issues, that's going to get resolved as well. The next blessing, oh, clearly a blessing to heal a relationship. So definitely healing is going to happen with regards to relationship. It could be with friends or family. And this healing is going to make you really feel better. All right. So that's amazing. Now let's see what your other cards are going to tell us. Going to keep your card over here. I feel there will be something which will be kind of bringing things to your awareness, especially in the next 4 months. Okay, oh, you got two cards. You got villain, you can rewrite the story, and you got endings are inevitable. So, what I'm sensing from your reading is something is going to exit, especially in the month of um September, October. Something is going to exit, and these endings are going to help you to rewrite a new story. Okay, this ending is kind of, like endings and new beginnings that is going to happen. This ending will help you to contemplate what you're going to do ahead. And interestingly, I kept over here a to value this card. In the other piles, I had not done that. This ending and this contemplation will lead to new doors of opportunities opening up for you. Let's see your next card. Oh, this also got two. You got woman holding a heart. So there will be a loving woman who is going to help you. You yourself are a nurturer. You care for others, and this is going to return to you as a love coming from a group of women or a woman. Okay, I also feel Archangel Samuel is with you, blessing you with healing, especially around your love life. So Archangel Raphael heals, but Archangel Samuel is the angel of love. With the sixth chakra, Archangel Metatron, clearly you are going to get a lot of visions. These visions are going to help you to especially unlock this door to value. All right, so listen to your intuition, pay attention to the clairvoyance, the guidance that you're getting via clairvoyance, as that's going to help you. Oh my god, look here, compromise. And with the temperance card, I'm not surprised. And with your overall journey also, I feel that you will have to kind of let go of small things so that big things can come to you. If you remember the picture that was going, on the internet, in which, Jesus Christ asked a small boy that give me your toy, and Jesus Christ is holding a big toy behind him. So this is what I feel. The energy is that, especially in the next 4 months, that is November, December, October, September. Okay, you need to surrender your low self-esteem. You need to be confident. Your self-esteem defines the way other people look at you and treat you. So ensure that you are working on that. Transformation, definitely there is going to be a major transformation happening in the next 6 months, and this transformation is going to help you to let go of all that which is not serving you and invite the new energy. Archangel Michael is telling you, trust the guidance you are receiving. Okay, and that's important because this guidance will help you to clear a lot of your anxiety and worries. Now, let's see what your cards are going to tell us. Tea leaf cards. I'm going to take this up. Okay. This card is kind of popping up. Okay. So I feel, this says warning of a problem either now in the near future. So you don't have to worry. There is this guidance that's going to come to you that you need to handle the problem in a particular way and it will get resolved. All right. See, it's pointing towards the Hermit card. So you will get the guidance. You got the wheel. indecisiveness, allowing your life to ramble aimlessly. So there is some sort of confusion. I said that while shuffling your cards. So don't worry, this confusion is going to get away because of all the clarity that you're going to receive. My doorbell just rang. It means, there will be assistance sent to you. There will be new person coming in your life. So that, new opportunities coming to you. You got dealing a relationship with a woman, and you did get a woman holding a heart over here, right? So definitely there is a woman who is going to help you to build your self-esteem. You got dragon, beware of self-delusion. So don't be delusional, be very practical. Remove your head out of the clouds, be practical, take the right action in order to go ahead. All right, now let's see what. Okay. Now let's see what you have. You got knowledge. So you're going to gain a lot of knowledge, and this knowledge will help you to move ahead. You got mobile phone. Some of you may buy a mobile phone or may gift a mobile phone as well. You got financial windfall. Wow. So the door of value and the financial windfall is beautiful. Money coming your way. Even if it is small, be grateful. Car, vehicle, yes. So maybe you will either get your car serviced, or you may go for a road trip, or you may really buy a new vehicle. You got bags, makeup, perfume. Wow, that's interesting. Either you may get it as a gift or you may buy it. Now let's see what your yellow cards are going to tell us. Okay. We're also going to see a book of answers. Oh my God, look this. You got windfall of money, and you have got financial windfall over here as well. Isn't that beautiful? So a lot of money coming your way. And you got home and body changes. Even group 2 had got home. Wow. So either you may renovate a home, you may buy, sell, lease a home, or you may buy some amazing items for your home decor. And since you got blessing on your family and blessing to heal relationship and home, so definitely matters in the house will become better. You got body changes. So body changes is basically you either get very fit, or because it's for the better, right? So you'll pay attention to your body, and you'll kind of make positive changes. Okay, now you know what, I am guided to just remove one more blessing for you. A blessing for support. Wow. So if you have been feeling unsupported, do not worry. Support is coming for you, helping you to kind of go ahead. All right, now let's see what the book of answers have for you. So think about your question, and let me just keep my hand on it. Okay. Adopt an adventurous attitude. So think out of the box, do things which which are risky, but take calculated risk. All right, so that's beautiful. Now let's see what your wheel of fortune is going to tell us. All the links to the decks and the book and the oracles I've put in the description column. Okay, now think about a question, group 3, and let me spin the wheel for you. You have got a yes. So whatever question you have asked, the answer is a yes. Group 3, I hope you enjoyed this reading as much as I did. If you did, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel. And yes, I have an upcoming workshop on God, Goddess, Archangel, Reiki, level 1, level 2. To know more details about this workshop and the earlier participants' experiences, click on the link in the pinned comment. Take care. Bye-bye.